morning, student. How are you? I hope you are all good. This is your science classes and we discussed chapter number 13, that is motion and time. In my previous video, we complete this chapter and also we completed the exercise question given in your textbook. And today we do some other question which is based on speed, oscillation and distance. Then question number first, a car covers a distance of 150 kilometer between two cities in 4 hours, between two cities in 4 hours. What is the average speed what is the average speed of the car देखिए, a car covers a distance of 150 किलोमीटर between two cities in 4 hours. एक कार है जो 150 किलोमीटर की डिस्टेंस दो सिटीज के बीच में 4 आवर में कंप्लीट करती है. देन कैलकुलेट क्या करना है, व्हाट इज द एवरेज स्पीड ऑफ द कार. यहाँ पे कार की एवरेज स्पीड को कैलकुलेट करना है. ओके, नाउ सॉल्यूशन given distance of two cities equal to 150 kilometer and time equal to 4 hour. देखिए, in question distance is given in kilometer and time is given in hour, so we can't change the kilometer into meter and hour into second because both the unit are same. Okay, if one unit is given in meter and it is given in hour, then hour is changes in kilometer. Okay, now we know that speed equal to distance upon time. Speed equal to distance upon time, and distance given in question, that is 150 kilometer and time is given in question, that is 4 hour. Okay, now 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 40 and 2 5s are 10. Okay, now answer 75 upon 2. Now we divide it into 75 2 3s are 6, 1 and 5, 2 7s are 40, 1 and 0.0, 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10. Okay. Now answer is 37.5 kilometer per hour. Answer kilometer per hour. Okay. Now next question is question number 2. Question number 2. A train travels a distance of 300 kilometer with an average speed of 60 kilometer per hour. How much time does it takes to cover the distance. देखिए, a train travels a distance of 300 kilometer with an average speed of 60 kilometer per hour. How much time does it takes to cover the distance? Solution गिवन क्या है क्वेश्चन में? यहाँ पे आपसे डिस्टेंस दिया हुआ है और स्पीड भी गिवन है. इन क्वेश्चन डिस्टेंस एंड स्पीड बोथ आर गिवन, बट व्हाट इज आस्क्ड, दैट इज टाइम. नाउ डिस्टेंस इक्वल टू गिवन distance equal to 300 kilometer. Speed equal to 60 kilometer per hour and time question mark. Okay. Now we know that the formula of speed equal to distance upon time. But in question distance and speed both are given and we can calculate the time. Now this formula also may be written as time equal to distance upon speed. Now what is the value of distance in given question? that is 300 kilometer, and speed, average speed is 60 kilometer per hour. 0 से 0 cancel out, 2 3s are 6 and 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Okay, now 3 1s are 3 and 3 5s are 15. Answer is time equal to, and kilometer से also cut kilometer. Now answer is time equal to 5 hour. Answer. ट्रेन को डिस्टेंस कवर करने में कितना टाइम लगेगा? दैट इज 5 आवर लगेंगे. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड. क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड, a boy travels with an average speed of 10 meter per second for 20 minutes. For 20 minutes. How much distance does he travels? He travels. Solution. In question, average speed is given equal to 10 meter per second and time is 20 minutes, and calculate distance. Okay, now given in question, given speed equal to 10 meter per second, 10 meter per second, and time equal to 20 minutes. Time equal to 20 minutes, but we converted minutes into second because speed given in second. Okay, now we multiply 20 into 60 equal to 1200 second. 1200 second and calculate distance. Find out करना है distance equal to question mark. Now we know that speed equal to distance upon time. We know that speed equal to distance upon time, and distance equal to cross multiplication. Distance equal to speed into time. Now speed is given in question, that is 10 meter per second, and time is also given in question, that is 20 minutes, but minutes converted into second, and answer is 1200 second. Now we multiply 10 into 1200, that is 12,000 meter, 12,000 meter. सेकेंड कैंसल आउट हो गया सेकेंड से, 12,000 मीटर. एंड इफ वी कन्वर्टेड मीटर इंटू किलोमीटर, देन आंसर इज 12 किलोमीटर. Because we know that 1 meter equal to 1000 किलोमीटर. देखिए 12 किलोमीटर आंसर. Distance equal to 12 kilometer and 12,000 meter. Now next question. Question number 4. A boy walks a distance 30 meter in 1 minute. And another 30 meter in 1.5 minute. 1.5 minute. Describe the type of motion. Describe the type of motion. Of the boy and find his average speed in meter per second. Question है, a boy walks a distance 30 meter in 1 minute and another 30 meter in 1.5 minute. Then describe the type of motion. यहाँ पे आपको मोशन कौन सी मोशन है वो टाइप भी बतानी है. एंड फाइंड हिज एवरेज स्पीड इन मीटर. और एवरेज भी आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. एवरेज स्पीड भी आपको मीटर पर सेकेंड में फाइंड आउट करना है. नाउ solution. We know that if a body moves not a constant speed, यदि कोई बॉडी है वो कांस्टेंट स्पीड से मूव नहीं कर रही है, उसकी स्पीड जो है वैरी कर रही है. यहाँ पे देखिए फर्स्ट 30 मीटर कंप्लीट करने में 1 मिनट टाइम टेकन है एंड अनदर 30 मीटर कंप्लीट करने में 1.5 मिनट टाइम टेकन है. सो स्पीड वैरी कर रही है. देन दिस मोशन इज नोन एज नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. फर्स्ट का आंसर है मोशन इज नोन एज नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. सेकेंड देखिए, टोटल डिस्टेंस इक्वल टू टोटल डिस्टेंस इक्वल टू 30 मीटर प्लस 30 मीटर इक्वल टू 60 मीटर एंड टोटल टाइम टेकिंग, टोटल टाइम इक्वल टू 1 मिनट प्लस 1.5 मिनट इक्वल टू 2.5 मिनट एंड minute is converted into second, then 2.5 into 60, and in this question we remove the decimal point, so we divide it into 10. Okay, now cancel out and answer is here 150 second. Now we know that speed equal to distance upon time, and distance given in question, that is 60 meter, and time, that is 150 second. Now 0 to 0 cancel out, and 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15. 2 by 5. Answer is 0.4 meter per second. 0.4 meter per second. क्वेश्चन में सबसे पहले हम लोग टोटल डिस्टेंस को फाइंड आउट कर लिए. 3 मीटर प्लस 3 मीटर इक्वल टू 60 मीटर एंड टोटल टाइम को फाइंड आउट कर लिया, और टाइम मेंशन इन मिनट, सो वी कन्वर्टेड इनटू सेकंड, दैट इज 150 सेकंड. वी नो दैट डिस्टेंस इक्वल टू we know that speed equal to distance upon time, and simply we put down the 60 meter upon 150 and answer is 0.4 meter per second. I hope this is clear to you. Okay student, thank you and have a nice day.